Imagine every time someone yawns, the air in the room just disappears. You yawn in class, your friend next to you instantly gasps, flails, and clutches their desk like it's a life raft. Papers fly, chaos everywhere. Your dog yawns. The goldfish frantically bubbles. Your cat dramatically collapses mid-nap. Even the plants start wilting like, where'd the air go? Your little sibling yawns while watching TV. The popcorn floats in midair, the soda fizz explodes, and the remote hovers like it's in zero gravity. Luckily, humans can't actually suck the oxygen out of a room, but if they could, every boring meeting or sleepy lecture would be total survival mode. So, next time someone yawns near you, just remember this. Could you survive a room full of deadly yawns? Comment below and hit subscribe for more absurd science scenarios.